Well, we love our Corvettes here at buyvet.net in Atlanta, Georgia, but we also love our muscle cars, and we have several on our showroom floor right now here in Atlanta, including this 2019 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat Redeye Coupe. Just 3,000 miles on this car as well. What a beautiful vehicle. Pitch black on the exterior. It has the black and demonic red interior, and it also has a sunroof. Now, under the hood, you'll find a 797 horsepower supercharged V8 engine with 8-speed automatic paddle shift transmission and limited slip rear end. Factory features include the $11,000 customer preferred package. This includes a 220 mile per hour speedometer, red-eye badging, SRT power chiller, and it has the $1,695 plus package. This includes the Hellcat logo, Nappa and Alcantara seat, leather trimmed seats, ventilated front seats, power Tilt-n-Tele Suede door trim panel with mat pocket. It has dark engine turn interior accents and also lightweight package. Now it also has the $1,295 technology group. This includes automatic high beam headlight control, rain sensitive wipers. It has the $1,095 driver convenience group, blind spot and rear cross path detection. Has HID headlights, power multifunction mirrors with manual foldaway, and it also has the $1,595 18 speaker Harmon Kardon audio group with subwoofer and GreenEdge amplifier. Now, if that's not enough, it also includes the $1,795 Laguna leather package. It includes the Hellcat logo, the Laguna leather seat, premium Laguna leather door trim. It also has the $6,000 WideBody package. Has those all-season performance tires, WideBody competition suspension, WideBody fender flares, and it also includes, as we said, the black and demonic red seats, remote start, Uconnect, Apple CarPlay, Android. This is just a wonderful car. Everything, of course, on this car is power, and of course, it comes with a clean Carfax. This car shows just 3,179 miles, and it is in really nice condition. So give us a call here at buyvet.net. This is one of our special cars that we've got here for you. Remember, we ship nationwide. We can even ship worldwide. Very much less expensive than you would ever imagine. And we make buying a vehicle online something you can do with ease and confidence. So give us a call here at 770-414-5552. Remember, we're buyvet.net, Atlanta, Georgia. Hope to hear from you really soon.